Hi.
Yep.
I'm Angie with North to South Landscapes. We're coming to you from Bend, Oregon. It's February, and we're going to start on our spring cleanup a little bit early, but one of the best things in our area is ornamental grasses. They're fantastic because they're really low maintenance. And I'm going to show you what the annual maintenance is required on a Karl Foerster feather reed grass. So if you've ever wanted to cut off somebody's ponytail, this is a great way to try that out. And I'm leaving this about, 10 to 12 inches tall. The more mature the grass is, the longer you probably want to leave it. You can see that we have some new growth coming in here, a bright green starting to show up. And then this is the most important part. You have to clean out the middle of it. So they really build up a lot of debris and accumulation, in this case even some pine cones. And it's important to get in here and clean this out. So we want to see what we're working with. Sometimes on an older Karl Foerster, I'm even going to get so aggressive and I'm just going to break up this center a little bit so I can really pull out the debris out of the middle. This is going to keep your grasses nice and condensed and that they won't spread and sprawl and die out in the middle. So that's the key to keeping those looking great. That's really all you need to do with an ornamental grass here in Central Oregon. Thanks.